My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the origin protocol OGN price prediction and what's the next target of origin protocol OGN. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see here, first of all we look the price of the origin protocol OGN. The price is in a USD as about 1.95 per USD dollar, and the Bitcoin price of the OGN is about 0.000035 Bitcoin is the price of the origin coin. If you look the price change occur in the origin OGN is about 5.06% positive change occur in the origin coin, friends. Now friends, if we look the rank of the origin coin in the cryptocurrency market, so the rank of the origin is about 156 is the origin rank, and the market cap is also good, and the top is 24-hour volume is also move upward trend. Now friends, let's see the price prediction of the origin protocol. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction. First of all, we look the last 1 hour price change. What's the price change goes and the origin protocol and the last 1 hour, friends. Absolutely a good change goes and OGN in the last 1 hour 3.77% in the high price. Oh my god, they are hitting a 2 USD dollar in this time, friends. As you can see here now, a high jump of the OGN or starts now, so they are hitting 2 USD dollar at this time, friends. Now friends, let's see the last 1 day price prediction and let's talk about the next target of the OGN coin, friends. Oh my god, they falls down very badly, but now they are again hitting a 2 USD dollar. If we talk about the change occur in the last 1 day, and the last 1 day in the OGN coin as a negative 16.2%, false negative, very bad change. Oh my god, the high price of the OGN is about $2.39, but unfortunately at this time the price of the origin protocol is about 1.98 USD dollar, and now they are hitting price origin coin hitting 2 USD dollar at this time, friends. Now friends, if we look the price prediction of the origin coin, so as you can see here, if they obey this kind of pattern, so soon the change occur in the origin protocol are very positive, and hope the next target of the origin coin in the April month as 3 USD dollar, friends. As you can see here, after you take a jump and after a jump falls down, take a jump falls down, same process occur in the origin protocol, and now at this time there is a jumping mode of origin coin. So maybe this jump is a very high, they very high move upward. We can't say about the future of origin coin, but if they continue this kind of pattern, so at this and the condition of this pattern, they also move upward, but gradually move upward, and with this when they take a high jump, so it's an opportunity for all of origin protocol holders to make a good amount of profit, and who's buy origin protocol, so it's the best opportunity for all of you, friends. Now friends, the next target of the origin protocol is that to hit a 3 USD dollar in the April month. What's your opinion about 3 USD dollar OGN? Is it a best target of OGN or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about OGN coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.